Hey everyone, if you're frustrated with the light theme of Microsoft Edge, then this video is for you. In this video, I will demonstrate how to change the dark mode settings in Microsoft Edge. So, let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Edge. Then here in the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them. A menu will appear. Locate and click on Settings, which is the second to last option. Then a new window will open, displaying various options. Among these options, you'll find one called Appearance. Click on it. Now, you can adjust the dark mode settings. The first option is System Default. If you select this option, the system will automatically switch between the light theme and dark theme based on your system's settings and preferences. The second option is Light Mode. Choosing this option will keep the browser in light mode. The third option is Dark Mode. Selecting this option will enhance the visibility of your screen, reducing strain on your eyes. Below these options, you'll find different themes that you can customize according to your preference, whether you want them in light or dark mode. For example, I'll try this spicy red theme, and you can see how the search bar, tab bar, and other elements change based on the theme. This way, you can select the appearance that suits your taste. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.